In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shared drives in Google Workspace. Shared drives are perfect for teams because the files belong to the team, not to an individual. That means when someone leaves or changes roles, content stays organized and accessible. Let's walk through the setup from start to finish so you can create a shared space that's secure and easy for your colleagues to use. Start by opening your Google Admin console. Use an account with the right permissions for managing Drive resources. Once you're in, look to the upper right for the app launcher, the grid of 9 dots, and open it. From there, choose Drive to jump directly into Google Drive. Inside Google Drive, find the Shared Drive section in the left-hand sidebar. This is where all team-owned drives live. Click it to view existing shared drives and then choose the option to create a new one. Give your drive a clear, descriptive name, something like Team Project Quarter or Department Function, so people immediately know what it's for. Then create the drive. Next, open your newly created shared drive and select Manage Access. This is where you add the people or groups who need to collaborate. Start typing names or group addresses and select each one you want to include. A helpful tip here. If your organization uses Google Groups for Teams, add the group instead of individual users so access stays in sync as team membership changes. Now set the right role for each person or group. Use the Roles menu to choose the level of access. Viewer can see files, commenter can add comments, Content Manager can add, edit, move, and delete files, and Manager has full control, including membership and settings. Assign the least privilege needed to keep your content secure and your workflow smooth. Return to your list of shared drives and, next to the drive's name, click the 3 dots for more actions. Choose Shared Drive Settings. Here, fine-tune how content is shared and protected. You can control whether items can be shared outside your organization, whether viewers and commenters can download, copy, or print, and whether non-members can access files that are shared with them. Adjust these to align with your company's security and collaboration policies. When you're satisfied with the configuration, click Done to save your changes. Your shared drive is ready. Add folders for structure, move project files into place, and invite your team to start collaborating. As a best practice, review roles and settings periodically to keep access current and data safe. That's it. You've created a shared drive in Google Workspace with the right people and the right protections in place.